Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Graco paint sprayer tips is probably one of the most important factors determining the quality of your paint job, and choosing the right one can be overwhelming with so many options available. This video will guide you through the process of selecting the perfect Graco paint sprayer tip for your next project, covering various tip sizes, materials, and spray patterns to help you achieve a flawless finish. Number 5. Graco TrueCoat Spray Tip. This innovative spray tip is designed for precision and efficiency. It's perfect for a variety of staining and sealing projects. With its 6-inch spray pattern, it's ideal for narrower surfaces like decks, fences, and outdoor furniture. This makes your projects easier and faster. The precisely sized 0.011-inch hole is optimized for thinner materials. This ensures smooth application of semi-transparent stains, water sealers, and polyurethanes. Experience superior control and blending with Graco's exclusive soft spray technology. It provides an even, professional finish every time. It minimizes overspray, leading to less wasted material and significantly reduced cleanup time. That means more time for your project and less time cleaning up. Clogs are easily cleared by simply reversing it and spraying in the opposite direction. This simple feature saves you time and frustration. What we like. It boasts a 6-inch spray pattern, perfect for detailed work. This makes it ideal for spraying thinner materials like stains and sealants with precision. If you're looking for superior control and a flawless finish on smaller projects, this is the tip for you. What people say. Graco makes top-tier spray tips, and this one was no exception. Arrived quickly and worked flawlessly. Nice fine pattern while still allowing for quick application. Purchase this tip for use with a Graco X5 airless paint sprayer. Given the fact that the tip is also manufactured by Graco, compatibility was perfect. A quick primer on spray tip sizes. The first number indicates the spray pattern width, so a 413 would have 4 times 2 is equal to 8 spray pattern. The second 2 numbers indicate the orifice size. Think how much material comes out of the spray tip. I found this particular tip to be excellent for staining my fence with a semi-transparent, water-based stain. The broad, 8 spray pattern meant that I had to make fewer passes to cover the fence, and the larger orifice size, I probably could have used an 11 or 13, meant more stain was applied to the fence. Number 4. Graco TrueCoat 360 Tip Kit. This kit gives you 2 tips for precise painting. It's perfect for various paints and finishes. The narrow tip is ideal for detailed work, stains, enamels, and thin latex paints. Its controlled spray pattern ensures precision. For larger areas, use the wide tip. It's also great for stains, enamels, and thin latex paints, providing even coverage. Easily clear clogs with a simple twist of the reversible tip. No more frustrating interruptions. Remember to replace it when the spray pattern shrinks by 25%. This ensures consistent performance. It's designed exclusively for use with Graco TrueCoat 360 sprayers. Make sure you have the right sprayer before using this kit. What we like. This kit offers both narrow and wide spray tips, providing versatility for various projects. Its reversible design makes cleaning a breeze. If you need a tip that can handle both detailed and large area projects efficiently, this is the one for you. What people say. These are the same spray tips that originally came with the sprayer. Can't go wrong with that. The tips are a 4 and an 8 spray pattern. It pays to change them after several uses or the orifice will enlarge and start to drip as you are spraying. They do work great when new and kept clean. Exact replacements, couldn't find in store. Glad I found them here. Number 3. Graco Magnum 15-inch Extension. Introducing the Graco Magnum 15-inch tip extension. It lets you paint high and hard-to-reach areas effortlessly, eliminating the need for ladders. This 15-inch extension adds significant reach to your Graco spray gun. Now you can tackle ceilings, stairwells, and more with ease. It's made from lightweight aluminum, so it's easy to handle, yet strong enough for the job. This ensures a comfortable and efficient painting experience. Attaching it to your Graco spray gun is a breeze, no tools required. Simply connect it and start spraying. It's compatible with most spray guns that have a 7/8-inch thread. This makes it a versatile addition to your painting arsenal. Paint those hard-to-reach places safely and efficiently. This extension provides the reach you need without the risk of ladders. What we like. With its 15-inch extension, it allows you to reach high and hard-to-reach places effortlessly. Its lightweight aluminum design makes it easy to handle. If you're tackling large or high-up projects, this extension will be a game-changer for you. What people say. Much easier to paint with it since you do not need to move your wrist hands as much. It's especially good when you need to paint inside a cabinet. It works great. Graco makes quality products and I have painted several houses with it and I have had zero issues. Worked as described, the extension really helped on painting our ceilings. Fit perfectly and no leaks. Number 2. Graco FFLP310 RAC X. Get ready to experience professional-grade finishing. This sprayer delivers an exceptional finish with its low-pressure technology. It provides superior control and minimizes overspray, saving you time and material. See how effortlessly it handles intricate details. This innovative feature allows for both fine and wide spray patterns. It adapts to any project's needs, from delicate trim to large surfaces. Enjoy a smooth, even coating every time. The low-pressure system reduces splatter and ensures a professional-looking finish. Its lightweight design and ergonomic handle make it comfortable to use for extended periods. Experience less fatigue and more efficiency. Achieve a flawless finish on any surface. It's the perfect tool for both DIY enthusiasts and professional contractors. What we like. Designed for a fine finish, it works with low pressure for better control. The reversible design makes cleaning simple. If you prioritize a smooth, even finish on your projects, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. I use this spray tip FFLP310 on the recommendation of a professional painter. I used it in with a Magnum X5 airless sprayer and Insulax cabinet coat to repaint vintage double doors. It worked wonderfully and the finish coat came out like glass. Very manageable spray pattern and material application. This tip is awesome for painting cabinets. This 310 tip is absolutely perfect for me with that leave buttery smooth results. The 310 tip creates a super fine 6-inch misty spray pattern. I used a Graco Project Painter Plus with blue RAC X guard. You will need it for this tip. It is a great choice for cabinet doors to get a smooth finish. Cleaning is simple as well. If you want a fine finish, this tip will do it. Number 1. FFLP208 Spray Tip. It's the FFLP208 spray tip, manufactured right here in the United States. This precision tool is designed for superior performance and reliability. It's built with high-quality materials, ensuring it stands up to the demands of your projects. You can count on it for consistent, even spraying. The FFLP208 features precision engineering for optimal spray patterns. Experience the difference that quality makes. It's proudly made in the United States, upholding the highest standards of craftsmanship. You're getting a product you can trust. It delivers unmatched performance and efficiency. It's the perfect solution for your spraying needs. It's designed for ease of use, making your projects simpler and more efficient. Get professional results with minimal effort. What we like. Made in the USA, it's built to last and deliver reliable performance. Its robust construction ensures longevity. If you value quality and durability above all else, this is the tip you should choose. What people say. Painted my cabinets and all my trim using this tip and it worked fantastic, perfect amount of paint and went on smooth as glass. I had an excellent experience spraying with the Graco 208 FFLP spray tip. I sprayed 3 cabinets, 2 doors, and about 75 linear feet of trim without issues. This spray tip allowed me to gain a better spray control pattern while using less paint in the process. I used the Behr semi-gloss latex enamel cabinet and trim paint, which doesn't have many good reviews, but this tip made the difference, allowing the paint to level perfectly and created a beautiful finish. Lovely tip to use for fine finish spray painting kitchen cabinets and woodwork in general. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.